Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So first EEG waves. EEG waves are of five types. We have alpha waves, beta waves, theta waves, delta waves and K complexes are present. So first in the alpha waves. Alpha waves mainly have high amplitude and these alpha waves are around 8 to 14 cycles per second, whereas beta waves have low amplitude and they have the cycles, the frequency of beta waves is around 15 to 35 cycles per second. Then we have theta waves. Theta waves also has low amplitude and they have the frequency of 4 to 7 cycles per second, whereas delta waves have high amplitude and these delta waves have the frequency of 5 to sorry around 0.05 to 3 cycles per second. Then K complexes have deep negative waves are present, followed by positive waves are present, and also few spindles are present in the K complexes.
thank you and thank you for watching.